If you're looking to include upsells and add-ons in your proposal, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll walk you through how to do it effectively and why it's a game changer for your business. Stick around, because I'll also be revealing a free trial for a software that can make the entire process smoother for you. First things first, why are upsells and add-ons important? They can significantly increase the value of your proposals and improve your bottom line. Instead of just offering a basic package, you're giving clients more options, which they might want, and you can profit from it. Start by identifying what extras your client might need that naturally tie into your main offering. For example, if you're providing a web development service, an upsell might be offering ongoing website maintenance or additional custom features. The key is to ensure the upsell makes sense and adds real value for the client. Now, when you're structuring your proposal, don't just bury these extras in small print. You want your upsells and add-ons to stand out. Present them as premium options or recommended upgrades. By doing so, you're subtly guiding your client towards those higher value services. Make sure these options are visually separate from the base offering, whether it's through bullet points, boxes, or different colors, making them easy to spot and tempting to choose. Another strategy is offering tiered pricing. This is especially effective when you're selling a service or a product that can be expanded. For example, you could have a basic plan, a standard plan, and a premium plan with upsells built into each tier. When clients see the added value of a premium option, they're often more likely to choose it. It's also crucial to frame your upsell as a must-have or a limited time offer. For example, you could say something like, for only an additional X, you can get feature Y that will save you X amount of time. This makes the upsell feel like an essential addition and creates a sense of urgency. Next, don't forget to build trust. Clients will be more likely to accept an upsell or add-on if they feel like it's truly in their best interest. Be transparent about what each upsell offers and how it will improve their project or experience. A good way to build trust is through social proof. If you can, include testimonials or case studies of clients who benefited from similar upgrades. Now, the software we'll be using today helps streamline this process by allowing you to create customized proposals with upsells and add-ons built right in. It's easy to use and can save you a lot of time, but what's better? I've secured an exclusive free trial for you if you want to follow along. It's only available to viewers of my channel, so check the description below to grab it while it lasts. To wrap things up, the key takeaway here is that including upsells and add-ons in your proposal isn't just about making more money. It's about providing your client with options that enhance their experience and add real value. Remember to identify relevant upsells, highlight them in your proposal, and frame them as essential or premium offerings. Don't forget to use tiered pricing and trust-building techniques to increase your chances of success. And before you go, I highly recommend taking advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. It's a great way to streamline your proposal process and implement these upsell strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.